To order a new Varo card, start by opening the Varo mobile banking app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Varo card section, which is usually found on the home screen or under the account settings. In the Varo card section, you will see an option to order a new card. Click on this option and follow the prompts to select the type of card you want to order, such as a replacement card or an additional card for a joint account holder. You will also need to confirm your mailing address to ensure the card is sent to the correct location. Next, review the card details and verify that all the information is correct, including your name and address. If any of the information is incorrect, you will need to update it before proceeding with the order. Once you have confirmed all the details, submit your order and wait for the new card to arrive in the mail. It is essential to note that ordering a new Varo card may take a few days to process, and you will receive an email notification when the card has been shipped. You can also track the status of your order in the Varo app. When your new card arrives, activate it immediately by following the instructions provided with the card or in the Varo app. As a best practice, make sure to keep your Varo account information up to date, including your mailing address and email address, to avoid any issues with receiving your new card. Additionally, consider setting up account alerts in the Varo app to notify you of any suspicious activity on your account. In summary, ordering a new Varo card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes through the Varo mobile banking app. By following these steps and keeping your account information up to date, you can easily get a new Varo card and continue to manage your finances with ease.